What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. Now I purchased a mystery box from Stefaniuk, and if you're familiar with Stefaniuk, you know he does a lot of sneaker content. He's been on YouTube for years, and if you're not familiar with him, he's from Canada, he currently lives in New York City. He does a lot of vlogs and a lot of sneaker related content on his channel, and I've been watching his videos for a few years, and I always hear him talk about selling these mystery boxes, and I've never actually purchased one, so I decided to pick one up and see what he sent me. So right here, this is the box that I received in the mail, and on the front of the box it has his last name, Stefaniuk, and then below that it says established in 1996. Now on his website he sells these mystery boxes for $39.99, and then it was also $9 to have it shipped to me. And I don't know Stefaniuk, I've never had a conversation with him, I don't know him from anything outside of just watching his videos on YouTube, so the contents of this box is a complete mystery. And now we're going to open up this box together and see what I have inside. Safety first. Alright, so I'm gonna try to not look inside the entire box so that I can just pull things out and see what I got. Alright, so the first item, I'm not sure what it is. Alright, so it says RX bar, 12 gram protein bar, 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates. Okay, so it's some kind of protein bar. That was the first item inside my mystery box. I don't know how I feel about that. I wasn't expecting food, so I don't know. Alright, so let's pull out the next item. And it is another protein bar. So, yeah, protein bar. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I really don't. I was not expecting any kind of food to be in this box. So, yeah, not really sure how I feel about it. All right, the third item. The third item looks like shoelaces. Shoelaces. That might be cool. Yeah. They sent me some rope shoelaces. I don't know if you guys can see the color. It's like a brownish, and it has like a little bit of light blue on it. Shoelaces. And that's more along the lines of what I was actually kind of expecting in this box. You know what I mean? I don't know if he has like a sponsorship with the protein bar company or whatever. I'll have to look into that later on. But shoelaces. And the fourth item in the box. More shoelaces. More shoelaces, the exact same shoelaces. So, maybe they're a little bit different. These ones are more or less just gray. So, different shoelaces, but more shoelaces nonetheless. Next item out of the box. We got a sticker. Socially distant sticker. I don't know if that's coming up, focusing on the screen. If not, we'll put in like a little B-roll shot of it. But it's socially distant sticker. Up next, out of the mystery box. Looks like we have a shirt. Looks like we have a shirt. And here's the shirt. You do have like a frowny face with 2 X's for eyes. And honestly, this isn't a bad shirt. The quality doesn't feel too bad. This would actually look good with those LeBron 8 South Beaches that just came out that I already got. So, not a bad shirt. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so on to the next item in the box. We have another shirt. And let's see, what do we got here? Feel Real. And we got a black shirt, and it's in purple, orange, like a turquoise, and white. Feel Real. Here's a up-close look at that for you guys. Alright, so that was everything inside the mystery box. I got 2 shirts, I got 2 protein bars, I got 2 sets of laces, and a sticker. This is probably the best thing out of it that I like the most, just because I think it's gonna look really, really cool with those LeBrons, or, you know, maybe even something else. Like, this is like a purple, you know, frowny face. So this is probably the thing I like the most out of the entire box, just keeping it 100 with you. I'm gonna have to look into those protein bars, because like I've never heard of them, and it's maybe a little bit weird that I got them, but I mean, whatever, you know what I mean? Throw some support to a fellow YouTuber. But guys, I just wanted to make this video to show you what actually comes in these Tom Stefaniuk mystery boxes. Now, I have heard that some people have actually gotten, like, you know, hyped Air Jordan 1s, like pretty much grails that come in these mystery boxes from him sometimes. But, you know, obviously he can't put those in every single box, or he'd go flat broke doing that. So, you know what I mean? This is just what I got in my box. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the items that was in the box. And, you know, let me know if you actually rock with Tom Stefaniuk or not. You know, are you a fan of his? You know, do you watch his videos? You know, let me know down below. I would like to thank each and every single one of you who stopped by here to watch this video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means a lot to me that you would share your time here. And guys, if you're new to the channel, you haven't yet already subscribed, I'm on that road to 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're only a few subscribers away. So, you know what I mean? Like, I drop content all the time. Like, it's worth a subscribe and take the time out. It's free. Doesn't cost you nothing. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.